My name is Pooja Talwar. I came from BCM Hostel, Hankar. I'm studying in BCom first year. Honorable President, Chief Guest, respected teachers, and my dear friends, brothers and sisters. Today, I would like to share my opinion about the Indian Constitution. Constitution means, according to Plato, Constitution is the soul of the state, and Constitution government is the best government in India. And Constitution, the new Constitution came into force on January 26, 1950. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar has a huge role in the Indian Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was born in a poor Hajjans family on April 14, 1891. And Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was called the father of Indian Constitution, and he is the chairman of the drafting committee. He is the best social reformer in India, and Constitution is the best thing in our Indian Constitution. And Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. And Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. The preamble was introduced by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The constitutional framers gave the preamble like this: "With the people of India having a solemnly resolved to constitute Indian into a sovereign, socialist, democratic and republic, and to secure all its citizens like justice, social, economic and political." This type of preamble is there in our Indian Constitution have. It is a very biggest and written constitution in India, and it taken time for prepare 2 years, 11 months and 18 days for preparing this document, and it is very flexible and rigid constitution, and it consists of 448 articles, 25 parts and 12 schedules in our Indian Constitution. And the main thing is that the fundamental rights and duties, and there are 6 fundamental rights and 11 fundamental duties in our Indian Constitution. Have the 6 fundamental rights and duties are the two faces of the same coin. The fundamental rights are those 6. First one is right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, cultural and education right, right to religious freedom, right to constitutional remedies. These are the 6 fundamental rights in our Indian Constitution, and 11 fundamental duties in our Indian Constitution. The first one is to give respect the national flag and national anthem, to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired our national struggle for freedom, to improve the sovereignty, integrity and unity of India, to preserve our rich heritage, to defend the motherland, to protect and improve the natural environment like rivers, lakes and forests, and to safeguard the public property. And the last one is main duty in this duties, who is the parents or guardian, to provide the opportunities for education to his child, or as the case may be what between the age of 6 to 14 years old. These are the duties in our Constitution have. So I will request all, please follow the rules and regulations of Indian Constitution, fundamental rights and duties, and the directive principle of state policy. So this is my opinion about the Indian Constitution. So thank you for giving me opportunities for talking about this wonderful topic. Thank you very much.
पूजा, तो आपके धन्यवाद।